Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you may be today. I'm Michael Duck, Executive Vice President of Informal Markets. I'm interviewing here today a very well-known personality in the maritime industry, Miss Mie Jacobsen, Head of Cruise and Ferry and Head of Marine for the Danish Export Association. So welcome, Mie. Great to see you again.
Thank you so much, Michael. Thank you for the invitation. Great to see you again also.
What's happening in Denmark? What's happening with the Danish Export Association? Before we do that, just can you introduce yourself to our audience here a little bit about you and some of your background, please?
Yes, thank you. My name is Mie Jacobsen, and as you mentioned, I'm head of Danish Export Marine here in Denmark, heading the Blue Denmark, the Danish sub-suppliers within the maritime industry. We represent 150 Danish maritime companies.
What's the biggest change that you've seen over this past year?
Yeah, I believe that the maritime industry has always been quite innovative, but really over the past 4 or 5 years, I've really seen that we have taken some huge steps. We really accelerated so the transformation within green shipping and a more green and sustainable maritime industry, and also looking into innovative and new technical solutions, and digitalization is also really has taken a huge step over the past years.
How do you see that Denmark is evaluating now the greenhouse gas reduction strategy to be adopted? What measures has Denmark taken to reduce the adverse impact of this strategy on shipping companies?
Yeah, I have to say from the Danish side, we were very satisfied with the outcome of the agreement. And now we see that with support from regulations and agreements, we can, again, jointly, this is a global challenge. This is global partnerships, but this is really key to us that the industry can work together, that with the shipyards, the ship owners, the suppliers, with the exhibition organizers, the universities, that we all work together. So how we will work with this is that we will keep on working to be in front, to lead the way together with other strong partners in the industry, and we will really push this global partnerships. And we will be ambitious.
That'll be a very interesting development. I want to take you to take us through now in terms of Blue Denmark. Is becoming the driver of intelligent shipping for the future, and Blue Denmark has an ambitious, attractive goal. Can you tell us a little bit more about Blue Denmark, what it's about, and how Blue Denmark can contribute more to sustainable industry?
So the Blue Denmark I'm representing is the supplier side, is the sub-suppliers, the component suppliers to the shipbuilding industry. So this is, from our point of view, is the Blue Denmark, is the whole value chain, the range of different companies. So we have many smaller Danish companies really investing in new innovations, and we need the support from some of the larger companies. So the key for us, the Blue Denmark, is partnerships and product development. So that is the Blue Denmark I represent, and how they work together.
That sounds really good. Denmark has always punched above its weight, as we say. A small country with big heart and great industries. So congratulations on being Danish. This year we're going to welcome at Marintec, China, a very large Danish pavilion. What are we expecting to see as far as exhibitors in that pavilion, and also in terms of innovation and solutions highlighting at Marintec, China?
Yes, this is really exciting, and we are so proud that the Denmark pavilion is large again at Marintec China, and I also think this highlights the cooperation and the importance for Denmark to what China is, that we really need China and Denmark to work together. That so many companies are investing in Marintec and are really focusing on China.
So what do you think would be the most important thing for visitors to take away from the Danish pavilion this time? What are your customers looking at in terms of the buyers and specifiers from the Chinese industry?
I really believe that the visitors must take the whole tour around the Denmark pavilion and go see the different companies, because we have so many different solutions and we have so many different products that can be discussed, and I really think it's an individual importance.